we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
If you can, avoid ingredients like corn, wheat or Milo. Some of these are just filler that probably won't be eaten by any birds. Others attract birds you probably don't want on the suet and may not be eaten by the birds you do want to see. Sometimes wheat flour is added to make no-melt versions.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.